Hello friends, it's Anshika this side, and this is a Q&A video regarding RI placement. As it's January now and February, March, you have 2 months to prepare for the placements, and in month of April all the schools are there and mostly all the interviews are going around and everybody is rushing here and there for the placement. So what happens in RA placement and how is the RA placement and what should be your expectation with the placement, that's all we are going to deal with it. And this video is helpful for those who are actually there in RA, be it second year, and the ones who actually want to be in RI and think they should go in RI or not, and what is the placement, is it really 100% placement. So all that I'm going to answer through this video. Okay, so the first question that comes up most of the time, and I was even curious about it, was 100% placement. Is there 100% placement? So the answer is yes, there is 100% placement. Rather, you will find that even after the placement is done, schools do send vacancies and they do need teachers. Since there are so many schools, only 1 lakh schools in India, so obviously teachers are needed, and RI teachers are always needed because you're so good with your pedagogy skills. During our time, that is last year, there were nearly 200 vacancies, and all of them were filled, and most of the students which were there with us did not even sat for the placement because they wanted to go for their masters or PhD or maybe some government exam. So what are the packages that you can expect for the placement? So let me tell you, the packages which are offered over there starts from PRT to TGT to PGT level. Now what is PRT? It's first to grade 5th, TGT is grade 6th to grade 10th, and PGT is grade 11th and 12th. But for PGTs also sometimes they consider grade 9th to grade 12th as a PGT program. Now the salaries that are offered are going to vary a lot. Like in our times, the highest salary was paid up by the Gale, and it offered something around 75,000 for a PGT and 55 to 60,000 for a TGT. They had two vacancies with them, so that was something very high. And when it comes to other public schools, it was mostly ranging कि if it is a boarding school, it is going to pay you something around 45 to 55 in that range for a PGT and 35 to 45 for TGTs, which is there. And while you're opting for a boarding school, you have to keep in mind that these salaries are not just with the school but also includes your work that you're going to do as a boarding staff. So it is like a full day job which goes around in the boarding school. But there are other schools which do come up which are not boardings but are of nearby region, and they offer a salary package of around 25 to 30 for a TGT